everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will show you how to extract characters from the beginning of the text string and from the end of the text string. So to extract a specific characters from the beginning of the text string, we will use left function. So here we will type left, and the argument of left function is text and the number of characters. So we will select our text, that is cell B2, and we want to suppose extract first 5 characters. So we will type 5 here, we will close the parenthesis and press enter. So here we can see that the first 5 characters from the full name Arav Patel, which is Arav, has been extracted. And suppose we want to extract the last 5 characters from this full name. So for this purpose, we will use write function. So write function will extract specific characters from the end of the text string. So we will select our text and we will type 5 here because we want to extract last 5 characters and press enter. And here we can see that the last 5 characters of RF Patel, which is Patel, has been extracted. So I hope you have understood how to extract specific characters from the end and beginning of the text string with the help of two powerful functions, left functions and right functions. And thank you for watching this video.